Hey guys, and welcome to Nerdcast, where we nerd out about various topics. Today, we are going to discuss psychology in marketing. So, since we are discussing like the whole psychology behind marketing, so let us start with the concept of consumerism. How has that affected the entire psychology of being?
अरे तू साइकोलॉजी समझा रहा है मुझे कंज्यूमरिज्म अगर समझ में आ गया ना
Consumerism is a term used to describe the effect of equating personal happiness with purchasing material possession. हम जो बोलते हैं ना आईपैड ले लिया खुश हो गया, तो ये खुशी जो आती है सामान से, एडवर्टीजमेंट से हम देखते हैं हमको वो चाहिए कि इससे हमको सेटिस्फेक्शन या खुशी मिलेगी उस सामान को लेकर.
तो मैं भी वही बोला ना
कंज्यूमरिज्म
in the promotion of interest of a customer.
Friends, this has been a very great start.
Basically, exactly.
there are multiple ways to define consumerism. The definition that I'm talking about is when a person equates his interest and happiness with the product. A person feels unsatisfied unless they have that product.
I get it कि basically अगर तेरे पास नहीं है तो तुझे बुरा लगता है, तो इतना सिंपल भाषा में समझाने का था.
But ठीक है, तो but let us discuss how because of that concept कि आज हम देखते हैं कि कोई भी एड देखते हैं तो they are mostly मतलब वो बच्चों के लिए जैसे एड्स हो गए. If you look at candies or fast food, they are kid centric, and that make the kid want to have their product, and he or she feels unsatisfied when they are not given that product by their parents.
Like advertisement यही है basically. Advertisement is what it is कि you just need to show people that this is what you need. It's basically creating a need for yourself when there is no need in real life.
Yeah.
And I guess this is a simple manipulation of things, manipulation of your thoughts that they do in these advertisements. जैसे let's say the simplest one was fog. Right now क्योंकि fog ने इतना attention grab कर लिया था because of the catchy tagline known as यही चल रहा है. क्या चल रहा है? तो fog चल रहा है. Exactly. And तब से लेके मतलब fog start में कुछ नहीं था. And when that advertisement happened, fog इतना आगे आ गया, fog सब जगह दिखने लगा.
Yeah.
And that is a useful thing from the marketer's perspective.
But ठीक है, वो ad is still like focused toward adults. So adults like they are much sensible in making decisions on average.
Or are they?
I'm talking about on average. Okay, I'm not talking about like every adult, but on an average. So, but those ads that target individuals that are below that like threshold of 16 to 15, like if someone is younger than that and they get affected by those ads, like majorly I'm talking about fast food ads or like things that are harmful for the health, for your health, like junk food and all. Their advertising strategies all aimed around making the younger generation like feel like having that product.
Okay.
So how sometimes like harmful products are advertised in excess, and they are advertised that they're also being normalized, like fruity ho gaya, like it's pure sugar, but still it's normalized as a fruit drink, which makes people think that it's a healthy thing to have in comparison to sodas, but healthy तो obviously नहीं है. So do you think that there needs to be some sort of transparency needed to be added towards advertising, where like you cannot
not necessarily. Let's say जैसे तूने अभी example दिया fruity का. So fruity has been advertised as a fruit drink, right?
Yeah.
They don't need to specify anything कि इसमें sugar कितना है, क्या है. That's not advertisement really.
Yeah.
And
so see, they are not falsifying anything. The basic tagline of mango fruity, fresh and juicy.
Yeah.
It's like they haven't told you it has sugar. They haven't told you that it is natural. So they are.
But the concept of fresh makes it think that
fresh.
It's a healthy thing.
They just make it and sell it. It's fresh and it's juicy. What's wrong in that?
You feel fresh from that, right? So let's say even Coke जैसे ठंडा मतलब Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Which is fair. इसमें शुगर का कुछ नहीं आता या सोडा का कुछ नहीं आता. You know what Coca-Cola is? You know, it's better served when it's chilled.
So
That's what they're marketing.
here's
That's
one
it.
thing, right? See, Abhi, if you comparatively look at say a raw presser, if you guys have had any raw products,
Hmm.
Yeah.
try किया तुम लोगों ने? So
Yeah.
हाँ.
raw का products, they always talk about their ingredients.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
so that's the difference, you know. Coca-Cola or Pepsi will never talk about their ingredients unless it's Diet Coke or something very, you know, then they are underselling their other products. वैसे भी है. So
Yeah.
in this case, these like any FMCG food and beverage company will always talk about the other aspects. The you know, not about the ingredients, about how the thing makes them feel. वैसे सब. That's how they go
Yeah.
about their marketing, and it's fair.
But
क्योंकि that's how
but
people.
false marketing is that like have you like recently come across the entire fiasco that happened with Subway?
No, this is
So that
No,
what happened is
enlighten.
Subway for Subway used to categorize their product as healthy and bread-based product.
Yeah.
So finally, after the European Union like recently changed law, it had to finally remove this categorization because the amount of sugar it had in its bread was equivalent to what it has in cake, like what people have in there in cake. Like it's around 20 to 30 gram per 100 grams of bread, compared to actual bread should only have around 5 to 6 gram per 100 gram. So it was having 5 times as sugar. So then they finally had to remove the advertising concept of that it's a healthy food product. So they had to remove them, and whatever subsidies that they used to get from the government based on them being a healthy alternative, they had to stop finally.
Yeah.
But
So
then
they
finally with this
basically when
fiasco,
government changed it, right?
yeah,
That's
but
when it
yeah,
happened.
but अब जाके तो पता चला ना, like अभी तक क्या था कि सबवे जा रहे हैं मतलब healthy food. Like people
हाँ.
used to have the conception, but अब पता चल रहा है ना कि नहीं, it's not at all healthy then. Like 30 grams of sugar in 100 grams bread, that's a lot. That's higher than
Yeah.
cold drink that you drink, यार.
So the thing is, see, let's say अभी Subway ने healthy ये किया है. They are not saying bread healthy है या क्या healthy है. It depends on, let's say अभी हमारे यहाँ पे it's not like कि confusion है कि 30 grams नहीं रह सकते अगर तुम लोग का ये है. As in if it's healthy, it shouldn't contain that much sugar.
Yeah.
ये हमारे यहाँ पे rule अगर नहीं है,
Mm-hmm.
so
So
then that's
that's what I'm
basically a
saying.
loophole, right?
That these rules need to be defined in India also. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like
See,
अभी
I'll
That
tell
finally
is
you
what.
what.
एक
We,
yeah,
we do have rules, okay, over here. We have advertising
हाँ.
rules, we have competition control rules.
Yeah.
And so the only like you know loophole that is there to this is that these marketing strategies work when it comes to the Indian public, right? तो इसलिए
Yeah.
हम लोग like the legally speaking ये सब चीजों like they're very difficult to be taken under like observation and then उसके ऊपर कोई केस बनाए, because it's a very tricky concept, you know. When you talk about Subway का अभी thing, it is very difficult to prove it in any like court of law, you know, unless you are very explicitly marketing about your bread.
yeah.
Yeah.
नहीं
Exactly.
तो ये भी बोल सकता है कि उसका salads are healthy.
Yeah, and so it's like bread is like just some percentage of the salad, right? Everything
Yeah.
else what they have inside may be, you know, from actually
Yeah.
Yeah.
healthy products.
Hmm.
तो वैसा है. And so you know like many companies consider that कि कोई legal implications नहीं पड़े after any kind of marketing.
Yeah, that's the whole the entire idea behind advertising of liquor in India.
Yeah.
Like
Let's talk
Jack
about
Daniels
crazy
की music
ads.
CDs से लेकर क्या
Yeah,
क्या
that's surrogate advertising basically.
surrogate advertising, yeah, exactly. So
But so you know, I think for like take an example of a surrogate ad which has not exactly mentioned कि वो जो mood है which they have covered.
okay,
मतलब
which one?
मतलब whenever there's a product that is to be launched, अभी
Yeah.
current में से if you see I don't know if you remember there was one like a Desi Daru company who had just, you know, they had something in those lines where they did not speak about it, but people still knew that it is you know that
Yeah.
kind of a product.
But
Okay, so let's say Carlsberg. Let's what
Carlsberg
Carlsberg
हो
did was Carlsberg ने add किया था कि I mean if we had meetings it would be like these,
yeah,
but you know what we do, and then Carlsberg glasses.
yeah.
So that is basically talking about that they make beer, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
So in
it's
the
like
same way,
talking
like
about it.
अभी Kingfisher की जो like ads है, like they are like
हाँ.
क्या plan है, and
Have
then
happy
Kingfisher
time.
calendar, कोई calendar नहीं खरीदता Kingfisher का, like I know some खरीदते हैं कुछ लोग, but like
Hey,
it's
that
not
is
like a
surrogate
priority.
advertisement na again.
It's a surrogate
You
advertising.
can't,
Yeah.
yeah, you can't advertise
Yeah.
liquor
अभी
directly.
वो
So
था, अभी कौन सा था? I have always wanted to do that. Heineken का जो ad है, Heineken नहीं, Jack Daniels का था, sorry. Jack Daniels का ad चल रहा है IPL में जो चल रहा है. Like I have always wanted to do that. Like Jack Daniels music CDs. Like मैं बचपन में कंफ्यूज होता था कि रॉयल चेक की म्यूजिक सीरीज भी आती है when रणवीर सिंह used to come, like not बचपन,
yeah,
like नहीं, शाहरुख खान आता था ना ad में, I don't remember. रॉयल चेक की ad थी.
even
So,
Kingfisher का ही ऐसे music series था.
किंगफिशर का
Bacardi music
पानी की बोतल
series.
भी है, and अभी आजकल then they have found like non-alcoholic beer चालू कर दो, and then that's the perfect way to advertise their regular beer also.
Exactly.
But like surrogate advertising still is for a product that is only available for adult, तो वहां पर I am not worried about it.
Yeah.
What worries me like अभी तुम पूरा फियास्को देखो मैगी का जो निकला, फाइनली दे हैड टू चेंज द इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट उसके पहले तक तो वी ऑल वे लाइक भूख लगी मैगी खा लिया. एज टीनेजर्स वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ऑलमोस्ट एडिक्टेड टू इट कंसीडरिंग हाउ मच वी लव्ड इट. वो तो
अच्छा, see,
brand
I'll
के
tell you
साथ
what,
साथ
Maggie का ना, there's a lot that comes into marketing for Maggie and versus the functionality it has.
yeah
Maggie is extensively used in North when it's cold, and that's the only
Yeah.
thing that can save them
True.
from this.
yeah
And so people over there, I don't think they care that much about the, like, I don't know if it's proven or not, but the, like, allegations they make about it having lead or anything.
Yeah.
So they care about the functionality Maggie serves for them. कि वो winter months में, when especially they make that one pot of Maggie, उनको, that is what helps them, and that is what Maggie sells.
yeah
Abhi nobody, I know like many people in North who almost have like around say 50 packs of Maggie at their home whenever needed.
Yeah.
So that's the way it sells, right? So we see the entire concept of competition and allegations is very political. Maggie पे ये जो case आया था like Nestle पे, that was again a very political thing.
yeah
Things
but
were
Nestle
happening
has
at that time.
always been really messed up when it comes to like their corporate policies and everything. Like you have seen how much have you seen like how they what you call Africa में they actually made it like जो उनका formula आता था, the milk formula for the baby, they actually started advertising that it's healthier than like natural breast milk, and that they actually had to pull it out because they started malnourishing the children of the country, like in African countries.
That is wrong advertisement again, right?
Yeah, so that's what I
जैसे
mean. This is the wrong thing. Then the same thing, same examples I will give. Like हम लोग packet drinking water लेते हैं. Like unless it's mineral water, it's basically just pure. It's just basically aquaguard water. Unless you're buying the mineral water like Vedica ले रहे हो या Himalayan ले रहे हो, that are from the actual spring water. तो रेगुलर तुम लोग जितना भी पैकेट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर ले रहे हो, बेसिकली जस्ट एक्वागार्ड वाटर.
yeah.
But still the whole marketing behind it is natural, it's like pure water some way, like no, it's nothing.
The
So-
entire water industry is
Yeah.
like that. You can't put a pin on one or two water plants. Because see, ultimately, even if you talk about Vedica or Himalayan,
Yeah,
they are still processed. It's
yeah,
not
they are
nothing.
processed,
see-
but they are actually, they have their factories over on the in the springs of the Himalayan plain.
These guys never
Tomorrow, say,
claim na.
Distillery will have a factory in Solan, in Himachal Pradesh. Would you consider कि वो वहाँ का पानी, like, I don't understand the premise कि एक पानी particular region से है, then it's pure.
Yeah, exactly.
ultimately
No, so
I
जैसे
don't
but that's the same way how there are some French brands also which work on that. और wine, भाई अंगूर तो भाई इंडिया में भी होते हैं, अंगूर फ्रांस में भी होते हैं, लेकिन people go for the French wine. तो yeah, तो
because it is
इससे
not a
फर्क पड़ता
forte
है.
of India, right? So अगर तू गरम मसाला लेने जाएगा और गरम मसाला अगर फ्रांस में भी बन रहा है, obviously बन
यार,
सकता है ना.
भाई ये क्या कंपैरिजन था?
नहीं क्यों? वाइन इज ऑल्सो obviously वाइन हमारे यहाँ पे बनती नहीं थी ना. हमारे यहाँ पे अगर तू
it's the processes, it's not the like raw material that matters. It does
Yeah.
matter in some cases, but mostly अभी France में they like the process of the wine making. That is what makes it special. And they keep it for those many years, and there's a whole industry based on that.
Yeah.
yeah.
इसीलिए
The
उसको
whole process.
attraction मिलता है. Yeah.
So अभी वैसे वही तो exactly.
So
So अगर
same thing,
यही
what-
अगर
that's what I'm saying कि पानी का भी ऐसा ही है कि like someone who is processing it and which is being sourced from there, so there is a difference than just regular natural mineral
not
like
तू अगर
Packaged
नहीं,
drinking
if you are saying, let's say Bisleri is selling mineral water,
No, it's selling packaged drinking water. You check it out.
packaged drinking water.
So
Okay,
that's what I'm
packaged
saying, that
drinking
they're
water.
selling
So
that packaged drinking water, but marketing ऐसी करिए कि they are mineral water, because mineral water is way different than packaged drinking water.
yeah,
ये
so
दोनों, it's the same way.
marketing में भी
I
Same
beg
way.
to
It's
differ
the same
over
way.
here.
It's the
No,
same way
see,
how you are marketing. Like तुम tomato ketchup लेते हो, तो only Maggi ketchup and किसान are labeled tomato ketchup. बाकी क्रीमिका से लेकर टॉप से लेकर विंग्रीन कोई भी लोगे, they are all labeled as tomato sauce. Because technically you cannot label your product as ketchup unless you have a specific percentage of tomato.
okay, see,
maybe.
one more thing over there.
Sure.
So I think जो water का you were talking about, right? So there's mineral water and there's water with minerals added to it. So
Yeah,
these
Yeah.
are very different
Different
terms.
Yeah.
So what terms? See, everybody is not aware of those terms, and abhi ke liye, see, I personally think it doesn't make a difference to the product. Ultimately,
yeah.
it's a marketing over there that separates say Himalayan brand from a Bisleri wala brand, and and still it's like, see, the market is entirely different. Let's talk about something that made a very special impact just because of its marketing.
Well, that would go. I would bring up my favorite company when it comes to marketing in that way. Because
Microsoft.
Apple is a firm.
Microsoft, yes.
But yeah, Apple is a firm that has that entire, like, what you call foundation laid on because of its marketing. So,
Or
but
is it the products?
if you are,
Do you,
It's not about the products and you're saying it's just about the marketing.
it majority
it's
about
coming
the
from you.
Exactly.
The
yeah.
person
So,
who always says its products are always superior and like the marketing doesn't matter in that
look,
case.
okay, मेरा
Are
product
you
बहुत
also
बढ़िया
a
हो जाए,
product of consumerism?
product बहुत ही अच्छा हो जाए तो marketing नहीं करोगे तो the product is not going to be of any use. I'm giving you an example right now.
But even if the product is bad and the marketing is
So
good, let's say,
I have a really good example.
Okay, I want to hear
Sennheisers
this.
have really good headphones in comparison to Bose. Bose is marketed better. People buy Bose.
yeah.
That's
So
what I'm
that's what.
saying.
No, even if even if your product is not good and your marketing is good, still they're going to buy it, right?
If the product is not good, even so the consumers are going to tell that the product is not good, and then
Yeah,
it's
but
not going to
still,
be bought.
again, after
But
let's say
if you have a
थोड़ी दिन
good
बाद
product,
इस-
you have to market it well. That's what I'm saying.
So,
So even if
my
you-
question
But
again is
अगर
like,
Apple का
इसमें
product,
ना, can you make
I have
the
an
difference
example.
out?
Microsoft has really good product from Surface lineup. The entire Surface lineup is really good. क्यों सेल नहीं हो रही? Google के पिक्सल इतने अच्छे निकले थे. Why not? Just because the product being really good, they were not marketed well.
Yeah, so even if अगर let's say product बुरा है,
The
let's say
reverse
the
won't work.
phone,
The
if you're
reverse
saying
won't work. I'm
the
saying,
reverse worked already, right?
what
It
is an
already
example?
worked.
What
Yeah,
is an
so
example where the
Freedom
product is pure
365,
but
Freedom 365, which was not a phone at all, and it was marketed at so high expectations that you can get a phone at 250 or 250 or something.
Freedom 250.
So you can get, yeah, exactly. It was not a product, right?
So
And
I
it
don't
was
think a
marketed as a product.
scam product would be counted because it also used because लोगों को लगा 250 रुपए क्या जाएगा ले लो. So there's a difference.
Whatever. So that's the most important part of their
But
marketing
यार
scheme,
अगर
right?
अगर अगर भाई अगर ऐसा होता कि भाई चीप प्रोडक्ट निकालो एंड मार्केटिंग कर दो, नैनो चल जाती ना.
नैनो चली ही है, नैनो ने
Nano
प्रॉफिट
is like
कमाया
the
ही है.
good-
It's
like
not
the
about कमाना, it's about okay कमाना,
नैनो
लेकिन तू
चली
कंपेयर
है,
करके
तू
इंडिका के कितने
रास्ते
सेल्स
पे
तो टाटा की नैनो कुछ भी नहीं है ना उसके सामने.
Tata
Dude,
Nano is the biggest hit in India. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
So, in
Any
terms of
so अगर तू
marketing,
बाहर भी देख के जाए, it really is. I mean, at least मेरे इसमें से 20-30 गाड़ियों में से एक तो नैनो निकलती है, and that is usual. I mean, ये होता ही है because that is product perfectly marketed for the Indian market. जैसे
and
1 लाख में अगर तुझे
उसका पता
गाड़ी
है कैसे
चाहिए,
है? उनका marketing जब खत्म हुआ ना, even after their effort of marketing ended, the product was still selling and was selling for
yeah.
around 2-3 years till they
To
actually
be
put a
honest,
stop to it.
this confuses me. Maybe it's more marketed well, like it's marketed better in Maharashtra or something, because I haven't seen a nano in years now.
नहीं, it's been here. I mean, not just in Maharashtra. मैं दिल्ली में भी देखा है. I have been to Rajasthan last year, last years I guess. और उसी में देखा है. And
नहीं,
it's
नहीं, it is one of the top selling products in India.
yeah, exactly.
Car categories.
You might not see it, but yeah, it
Are you
is.
sure that is one of the top selling? Because अभी
Yep.
let खोल के देख सकता हूँ.
Yep.
नैनो किस नंबर पे आता है? Let's see.
2015 year देख ले, 2015 2017 year देख ले.
Let us check.
See,
Right now.
It's all about marketing, how you do it and how I mean, अगर प्रोडक्ट अच्छा भी नहीं है और मार्केटिंग अच्छा है, यू स्टिल कैन सेल अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. जैसे इवन मैगी का ही था ना, बेसिक मैगी है, मैगी ने तुम लोग को ये दिया था एज एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट, इतना ही अच्छा था, इट बिकेम द ब्रांड ऑफ द होल नेशन, एंड उसके बाद भी उसका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं था ना फाइनली.
Bro,
Let's talk
I just opened the top list in 2016.
hmm.
The top 10 there is no Nano.
अरे
Hatchback
भाई
की
तू
बात कर रहा हूँ.
मर्सिडीज वगैरह ये सब
No,
देखेगा
it's
तो कैसे
Alto
रहेगा?
800 at top, Alto 800 at top, then Eon and then Quid.
2015 देखना, 15, that's when it actually was famous.
भाई अब यही कर
हाँ,
रहे
अरे सही में एक दो साल बाद, like you know, any car company का sales go down for a particular model.
The top 15 most sold cars of 2015 in India.
Yeah.
The top was Alto, Desire, Swift, WagonR, i20, i10, Bolero, Celerio, City and Eon. And उसके नीचे Amaze, Innova, Ertiga, Ciaz and Accent. Top 15 में नहीं है.
2014 देख ले.
Bro, so that's what you're trying to prove. What it's not true.
See, I don't remember the
Dude,
year.
तेरे
was
तेरे
never in
यहाँ
the
पे
top.
नहीं होगा.
The year it
Top
launched.
नहीं,
मैं
अरे
all over India top पे नहीं है. It तो वही तो बोल रहा like.
ऑब्वियसली
that's what
हैशबैक,
I'm saying
रूट
कि-
हैशबैक 7 लाख तक आती है, 7-8 लाख तक आती है. तो अगर 7-8 लाख तक अगर किसी को खरीदना है हैशबैक, तो इट गोज टू 7-8 लाख. जो कंज्यूमर मार्केट है ना जितना उनका, कि 1 से 1.5 लाख के बीच में, उनके लिए वो परफेक्ट थी. जिनके पास इतने
The
पैसे
thing
नहीं थे
is,
कि 7-8 लाख नहीं डाल सकते.
the thing is, anyone who was looking at Nano, they had Eon and Alto at better option, which was
Eon
just
is still
50,000
नहीं
rupees
नहीं
more.
it's still again more. Nano का बेसिक मॉडल was 1,03,000 और 1,08,000 कुछ होता, प्लस रोड टैक्स वगैरह. एंड फर्स्ट Eon ऑल्टो थी was 2.3 lakhs या 2.4 lakhs कुछ होता, which is still 1 लाख का जो बेसिक मॉडल है दोनों का, which is still 1-1.5 लाख का कंपैरिजन है, जिसमें और एक नैनो आ जाती है. So that's what it is. जहाँ पे तुझे जो कंज्यूमर मार्केट उनको टारगेट करना था. अभी ऑब्वियसली if I am buying let's say i10 i20 ये सोच रहा हूँ मैं, वहां से मैं नैनो पे शिफ्ट ही नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि 7 लाख की गाड़ी और 1 लाख की गाड़ी है.
But
That's the
again, the
difference
option
between
is
it, ना.
कि the reason that it did not sell was that they marketed as
The cheapest car, the cheapest car ever.
तो मैं वो
Yeah.
बोल रहा हूँ कि look, they launched with expectations of record breaking sales. That's what I'm saying. That if I'm launching a product expecting that it's going to break records. So for example, if the new iPhone comes and it sells 10 million iPhone, it will still be a hit according to any analyst, but it will be a flop according to Apple because its average was 20 million iPhone a year. So that's what I'm saying. That when you need to compare with your own products, or
Yeah.
with the
Let's
industry
get back
standard.
to consumerism. Let's get back to the
Yeah, let's
topic.
get back to consumerism here. So this was our discussion until now on marketing and economics. We will continue this in the next episode.